Hi guys, it's Smith the Mister. You can see the time and date there, yeah. Check this thing out on my CCTV. Just been talking about some quite dodgy stuff with someone, and I've seen this a few times before, yeah. I don't know how to get the footage actually off the hard drive on my recorder for the CCTV. But this looks like it's got a dot in the middle. Where have you gone, you little bugger? A dot in the middle, and then like 3 or 4 either side. Sometimes you get a right clear shot of it. But what the hell is that? I've seen this a few times, but this is the clearest and longest it's ever stayed. Just show you it from a far back angle. I'm going to go out in a minute with a bloody great fishing rod and waft it about just to show you that it's no spiderweb, mate. What is that? Is that some like tiny mini drone? What the hell? Right, let me just sit that on there recording, and actually you'll see me go out there and wave this bloody rod. Should vanish now. If that bloody has just vanished. Oh no, there he is. Right. Right, I'm going to play this back. Seems to have gone. Right, let me have a look at this video, guys. If it comes back, I will catch it again. I just want to play back and see what actually happened.